Hi, this is Paul again. I've got a new video to show you, and I'm calling this the integrated helix of CubicWONDER. In the last few years, I've put quite a bit of research into a system I call CubicWONDER. Okay, we'll start this with a string of Plato cubes and Bucky cubes. And they are also made up of Chico and Chica cubes. Okay, if you look in front, the Plato cube and the Bucky cube are center to center, and they form a string. Now I also show a string of Chico and Chica cubes. These are made up of 5 pieces, and they go vertex to form a string. Now I showed in my earlier videos that the Chico and Chica divided 1/3 and 2/3. But in the last few weeks I've decided something else. Now in front I'm showing you rings provided along the vertices of the Chico and the Chica cube. I show a total of 7 rings. Now after a bit of research, I realize it doesn't split into 3s, it splits into 6. So this makes a 1/3 into 2/6. Let's take it back to the 6 gaps again. So now you can see 1/3 becomes 2/6 and 2/3 become 4/6. This is an important find. People might think, why is it so important? Well, this is the reason. Look in front. The helix can form 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. It goes in 3s. So it's very important. This is a solid helix. It can be 3D printed. But I guess this wonderful 3-dimensional order is absolutely useless to the academics, because my videos are only getting 1 or 2 views from all around the world. They obviously have a reason for not wanting any 3-dimensional order. I've decided to call these swirls ALFIE swirls because they're really posh. And they're a little bit similar to the swirls that they show for protein. But the swirls for protein have got no body. There's no volume. These are solid swirls. Anyways, I think I've showed enough 3-dimensional order in the swirls today. So this is Paul saying thank you very much for watching my video.